today.
Which is this. At ang laman nito ay isang Coach na bag, then dalawang Smigel na pencil case. So without further ado, let's get right into it! So, first things first, syempre, hindi mawawala ang notebook. Ayan. May pangalan na siya. And marami pang notebook. And ganito. Kita yung notebooks. Of course. Pick one. Color two. And ito lang ang naiiba sa kanila. Ang ESP. And lahat na yan. May color. Iba't ibang color. Yes. Iba't ibang color. Ito blue nito. Now, I have here a Titus marker and a pencil. Black pencil. Okay, sabihin I can put safety. Then, we have my bag. And the ticket! The book! Tapos na yung baby. So, we have a bag. Ayan. Violet bag. May dot. And luma na siya. Ayan na siya. No, not that first. Baby, not that. So, gusto ba yan? Ayun, baby, your other back. Yan. You get that? Ano nga? Thank you. Okay, so, we have another na nakuha. And, dito kasi guys, yung una ko nakuha, then bumili naman kami ng isa. Masalatan. Kumuha pa kami ng isa pa. And nakakuha na rin kami ng spring na notebook na yellow green. So, okay. So, we have, what is this? Hindi ko na. Kaparehas niya pero pencil marker. Permanent marker. Permanent marker. Yeah. So, you get. What do we have? What is that? Show them. So, I have a big marker. What's that? Scissor. What color? Pink. Also, you get one. Again. Look! Blue, what is blue? Blue. Show them. Blue kita. We have a blue. Blue. Now, we have ball pens. Two black and big. Two black and one red. Then we have a cutter. And what's that? Yes, it is a correction tape, pero ito yung pinapang refill. Kung di alam guys, yung dong-in na correction tape. So, yung parang ganyan lang siya kalaki. Tapos ito yung pang-refill niya. Ayan. So, we have a highlighter na kakaiba. Stabilo. Neon. And color. And then we have another sign pen. Pero red ball pen. Then we have another pang-refill. And so that's it. That's all we have. And syempre, wala tayong pencil case. And kaya, i-unbox na natin ang magneto. We're going to unbox it. So, do you want to unbox it? No. You unbox it. Okay. So, how we can open it? We're going to open it. Kasi may yung butas. Okay, today. Yun. So, you did it. Yun. Ayaw lakas. Ako na nag-unbox. Ayun. Wow. So, Erich, meron ka rin dito. Yes. Meron din siya dito kasi dalawang Smigel. Na pencil case. Ayan. So, happy careful. So, can you help ate? Yes. Or you help me? mommy. Anyway pala guys, thank you kay Tita Sel from JM eShop. Ayun. So kung gusto nyo bumili guys, I will comment. Lalagay ko sa description box down below yung link. Ayun na yung nabibigay. Wow. Wow. O, bili na. Tulungan mo ako, baby. Tulungan. Help ate. It's so pretty. Aray ko, sakit ng paa ko. It's so cute. Ayan. Ito na siya. Ang hirap ng... So, ayun for Kimlet. Ay, oh, okay. Baby, tulungan mo ate. Ay, kaya sa happy. Ate, ate. Alay. Ano ng cake?
We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
So guys, kung napapansin nyo pala guys na ngayon ako nag-back to school haul. Bakit? At kasi next 2 weeks na ang pasukan namin. July 15 ang pasukan namin guys. Kaya kung para sa inyo medyo late. Kaya, ganun. So halos 3 months rin ako guys bakasyon. So we get big down to the below. And Erich, bubuksan na natin na tulungan mo ang ate mo. Tulungan mo ang ate mo, baby. Help ate. Help ate. So, unang natin makikita ay Coach bag. And I think nasa loob na is middle. Ay, nakatulong natin. Oh, that's really. You got the scissor. Okay. Where's the scissor? Ito, okay mo. Where's the scissor? You find it. Oh, scissor. What's the scissor, well? Okay. Okay, I will open it. Okay, next. Para mabuksan natin to. Okay, this is the one. Wow. No. You can't touch it. Bawal. Wow. Okay. Sayang yung bubble wrap. I thought I have ito. Okay, next. Ay, ang ganda pala ng Coach bag ni Mami. Okay, cut all it. No, don't touch that. Ayan! Wow! We have the Coach bag. Ayan, babuksan na natin. Wow! So cool! May lang siyang okay. Ayan, Coach bag ni Mami. At Mami, wow! Wow! Yes, Mami! No, this is a bag. It's tiny, Mami. Get it, Actually guys, ayoko talaga ng amoy na ito. Kasi amoy sa sakyan. And so, here it is, it's begin! Wow! So cool! So what is this? Wow, so cool. Oh my gosh! Deliver ata si Mami ng ganito. And, ay ata free to. Free siya sa Coach. Meron na talaga siya damit at saka parang perfume. Oh, you pick one. Which one do you like? This or this? Okay, edit. Oh, so that's yours. So let's open it. Let's open it. No. Ito, baby. Wow, so cute. Ay, sit lang, baby, sit. Wow, para makita. Napakita natin sa edge. Yan. I think I find flower. Oh, yay! Ang ganda siya. At ito, we have to make it. Oh, which one do you like? I think we can take this. I want this. Yes, yes. Pepper pena. Handa. So, ayan guys, sa smigo. Pepper pena. Ay, yay! Here it is! Oh my gosh. Bagong-bago. So cool. Ayan na ba? Nahirap. it like this. Maybe you show it like this. You show it like this. Wow. Baliktad, baby. Baliktad.